Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel, bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video we're in a collaboration with Brow Code. I'm super excited because they gave me these 3 products here and I can't wait to show you guys all about it. I haven't done my eyebrows yet. As you can see, they are looking a hot mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing one with you guys and then you can see the before and after. So these are the products right here. I got the 3 products right here. The packaging is so beautiful. I just can't wait to try them out. This one right here is the Brow Heeze and this is the brow soap. I'm excited. This is basically going to be like the product that you need to use to make that laminated and beautiful fluffy eyebrow look. Then I'm going to be using Imitation Micro Brow Pencil. Basically I have all the kit right here to do your eyebrows and I got the color in deep dark brunette. And then last but not least I'm going to be using the Define Line 123 brush. So we're going to be testing this product out and I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows with these products. And if you guys want to know the prices, I will link everything down below or I will put it right here so you guys can see all the prices of the products. So we're going to open the brow soap and I'm excited for you guys and for me to see this packaging. Look how beautiful and tiny this packaging is. It's just so beautiful. I'm loving everything about it. It looks so sleek and just gorgeous. This has hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and also has coconut extract. So it has all the best ingredients for nourishing your eyebrows and also your skin. Amazing. It has the mirror right here and just look how beautiful and gold that is. So with this little compact mirror, you can just do your eyebrows on a go and you have a little mirror. So this is the brow soap right here. I'm going to be using this with this little brush right here. And we're going to begin with the brow. And then I'm going to show you the brow pencil. This is the Imitation Brow Micro Pencil. We're going to open it up. And like I said, this is the dark brunette. Deep dark brunette. So this pencil right here is pretty nice. This also have the little brush. So you don't really need this brush if you get the micro pencil. That is everything in the packaging. So we're going to begin with the eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my brush and just use all the product. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. Let me put my hair back so you guys can see. I'm going to do this eyebrows first for you guys so you can see the difference. And now I'm just going to brush it up. All right. I do feel the hydration in this product. I'm loving that. It doesn't feel like gel or cakiness. I don't feel that on my eyebrows. You know how you feel stiff? This doesn't feel like that. Ooh, I'm loving that. Super easy to apply. Okay. Let me feel it. It feels like a pomade and it does not feel sticky like at all. I love that. Alright, so that's how this little brow soap looks on this eye. And then this is how it looks without anything. So it's already given that full effect on the eyebrows and I'm loving that. And it does not feel tacky or anything like that, so I'm loving that. So what I'm going to do is because this is how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to brush it a little bit down. And then I like to brush this up a little bit. It's just crazy how it already give it like a nice arch and shape on the eyebrows. Do you guys see that? I'm loving that. And then I'm going to brush it. I am in love. And I haven't even done my eyebrows yet. I'm just shaping it right now. Alright guys. So that's how it looked with the brow soap. Okay. Alright, girlfriend. Alright, perfect. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to use the back side. I'm going to use the brow pencil. And like I said, this is dark. This is deep dark brunette just because my hair is dark. So this is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do too much. All I'm going to do is just trace where the hairs, you're missing some hairs. So I'm missing a little bit of hair right here, up here. Right in here. And then use that to brush it. And then I'm going to put it right here. And I usually like to trace the line. Oh, I'm loving this pencil already. Like, the formula on this pencil is so smooth. It feels amazing and is easy to apply. Because you have some of those pencil, when you are doing your eyebrow, it like break really quickly, and I hate that when that happens. But this formula on this pencil is feeling really easy to apply. Alright guys, so I got that so far. That's how it looks. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use my concealer and my little flat brush just so I can trace out the line. I'm going to use my handy dandy mirror. So now what I usually do now on my eyebrows, I don't usually go all the way in and go down because now I'm starting to like that fluffy effect. So what I do is I just grab it from right here on the corner and then just bring it down. Just so I can shape it up. And that's it. And I like to leave that fluffy. So you guys can see, super easy the way I do my eyebrows now. I usually, back in the day, I usually just come all the way over here and just go down. But now I just like to put it right here on the corner, my concealer, and then just bring it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend that concealer in. I'm going to use my little sponge. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the before and after. Alright, so this is the before and after. What do you guys think? This is the brow soap. Like, look how nice and just beautiful and defined my eyebrows are. Like, it looks like I have a lot of eyebrows, and really I don't. Like, you guys could see here, it just looks so sloppy and just like I don't have anything. And then with that brow soap, just make it super easy and just to place and everything. I just love that. And remember when I said about that like nasty SS gunk that you have on your face? I don't have none of that. I don't even have to spray this or anything. I can just use it super easy on my eyebrows. I'm just loving how easy and complex this is. Do you guys see the difference of my eyebrows? Let me move back so you guys can see the difference of my eyebrows. Like, you guys seen how easy. I was literally talking to you guys and showing you how to do my eyebrows. That's how easy it is. I'm loving the brow pencil, the Imitation Brow Coat pencil. And I'm loving this little kit right here. And I love that it has the hyaluronic acid, the shea butter, and the coconut extract. I'm loving that it has all that nice nutrients in this palette. Like, you need that for your eyebrows, your hair. I mean, coconut, it's amazing for your skin. Shea butter is amazing also. Like, all this product inside this ingredients is amazing. So anyways guys, you can see the before and after. I'm going to do my other eyebrows off camera and put on my makeup so you guys can see the result. But this is how it's looking right now. You guys see the glint of the picture. Like, this is amazing. Like, this you would never think that my eyebrows look like this if you see me with this. It looks amazing. So anyways, let me finish this eyebrow up. Let me put a little bit of makeup on so you guys can see the whole result of how my face just look so matched and so beautiful. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I did my full face makeup, super easy and natural look. I just wanted to show you a little bit how it looks with makeup on. What I think about the Brow Code products. I am in love with the Brow Code products. I'm loving everything about it. I'm just loving this brow soap right here. This was super easy to use. I just love how it has the hyaluronic acid, the shea butter, and the coconut extract in this little product right here. Just have everything nutrients and hydration for your skin and for your eyebrows. I'm loving that, and I'm loving how this little compact is so small, and it has a little mirror that you can just use it and place it in your purse. Just take it everywhere. It's so small and so beautiful. I'm just loving this product so much, and I can't wait to keep using this product. As you can see, it was so easy to use and didn't have all that gunk and excess products that I do not like when I'm using a product that I have to always clean it, or just when you have that foundation and then you just see all the crevices on your face because of that product. But this product right here don't have that. I just love this so much. I just want to give a big thanks to Brow Code for sending me these products. I am in love with your products, and I cannot wait to use more of your products. But guys, if you want to go check them out, I will put the link down below so you guys can click on the website and check all the products out. They have more products. It's not just these products. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, bye.